Carfol decongestant inhalation capsules. Carfol decongestant inhalation capsules. It relieves blocked noses and bronchitis. Suitable for adults, children, and babies over 3 months. Babies over 3 months and children and adults can use these Carfol decongestant inhalation capsules to relieve nasal congestion, head colds, and bronchitis. Each capsule contains a combination of aromatic oils. When released, peppers actively works to help breathe more easily day or night. Yeah.